What is going on, guys? We're live. We are live. Crypto Homes, right off the bat. How you doing, man? Hello, everyone. JASMY, what's up, man? Good to see you. JLW, can we hit 15? Sorry, yeah, 1.5 cents and start having some fun again? Oh man. Funky, howdy peeps. Book of Memes is pumping hard today. BOME. What is Book of Memes? Book of Memes. Oh yeah, I saw this. Damn, 437% pump today. That's pretty crazy, man. And it's still early, man. This might not be a bad one. It's on Solana. Might not be a bad one to hop into, guys. Book of Memes. Holy smokes. 437% pump. Pamping. Looking juicy. So what is everybody doing today? How's it going? Everything good? Everything good? Sorry guys, I'm just getting set up here, so bear with me. Bear with a brother. Bear with a brother. Let's see here. So what's up? How's everybody doing? Wow, chat's filling up fast, man. Good to see you guys coming in. Very nice. Very, very nice. You know what? I think I might actually pick some Book of Memes up, guys. I might actually pick some up. Let's see what happens, right? Whoa, Eduardo with the super chat right off the bat. You think AVAX will hit $100? Yes, actually, Eduardo, thank you for the super chat, my brother. And yes, I do actually think that it will hit $100. Where is AVAX as we speak? Let's have a look. Thought I had it in here somewhere. What are we at right now? 50 cents? Oh, it'll hit $100 easy. Easy. We haven't even started pumping yet, brother. Easy, it's going to hit $100 in my opinion. Definitely. Sorry guys, just bear with me. I'm just trying to get set up here. We got some stuff to cover today, guys. Hang on. So what do you guys figure? Should we talk some JASMY or what? All right, let's get going here, guys. Let's get going. What do we got? Yeah, Book of Memes we were looking at. Looking good, guys. Solid pump. Very early project, eh? All-time high 7 hours ago of a cent. What is it now? It's an eighth of a cent. Looking good, looking good. See what happens with Book of Memes. Didn't they just get a listing or something like that? Um, KuCoin or something like that. Anyway. Funky Action, how's it going, brother? Maltasanti, what's up, family? What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Funky, it is on Crow. Yeah, it's on Crow, but it's on a bunch of others too. It's on LBank, the channel sponsor. It's on Crypto.com, KuCoin, Radium, Gate.io, Bitmart, quite a few exchanges. AVAX is pumping. Yeah, it is. We were just looking at it. Where did it go? There it is. 6.5% up, which is pretty good considering, right? Pretty good considering. Let's add it to our favorites so we can keep an eye on it. Boom. Book of Memes, pumping hard. What else is going on? Haas, what's going on, my favorite YouTuber? What's up, brother? I appreciate that, man. I appreciate the love. Baby G at work. Nice, buddy, nice. Young Arsonist, do we think Luna C will reach 20 cents? Luna Classic, how is Luna Classic doing anyway? $0.20, damn! I don't know, brother. I don't know. That is quite the tall ask. But at the same time, it's below $1 million market cap. I'm gonna go with no, but keep in mind I am no fortune teller. Rodney, what's up, buddy? Any news on JASMY coin lockdown? I heard about 20 billion. Yeah, Rodney, that's going around today. Some YouTuber just made up a number and said this is how much that they're locking up. There is no announcement from JASMY or anything like that. It's just a clickbait thing that somebody's saying on their YouTube channel. It's not confirmed by JASMY or anything. So, Baby G, flipping Lamburgers for JASMY. Maltasanti, Dog Whiff, Nunchucks up 130%. Nice. Yeah, we've looked at that one a couple of times. Crypto Goddess, how are you? How are you? Funky, today on Crow. Eduardo, oh yeah, that's what got listed on Crow today. That's what it was. Eduardo, start. Haas, bought more on this dip and I'm feeling great about it. 100%, man. 100%. Funky Action just released on Crow today. Yeah, Eduardo. Star Atlas is pumping too. Is it? I haven't looked at that one in a while. Like a year and a half. Yeah, 3.8%. Not too bad. Not too bad. 1 cent. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. X marks a spot. WTF. Now I got to do 50 push-ups. You know the rule, brother. Funky. Last 15-minute candle looks good for JASMY. Pumpy pump. Let's have a look, guys. As you know, guys, on the hourly, we are in this falling wedge pattern, which generally break to the upside. So we could continue lower and then break out later, but hopefully I'm hoping we can kind of snap out of this descending channel here and to the upside soon. But very bullish pattern though, guys. Bullish pattern. Generally you break to the upside, so cross your fingers on that. See what it looks like on the 4-hour while we're looking at it. Yeah, see, same thing on the 4-hour, guys. Very, very bullish pattern, right? Bullish pattern could break to the upside. Funky just released on Crow today. Yeah, read that. Funky Action. Chico Cruz, thoughts on AMP? I like AMP. I'm basically neutral on AMP. AMP did absolutely amazing in the last bull run. to be honest with you. But for me personally, market cap's kind of high for me these days. So, but I do like AMP. I'm neutral on it. I think it's going to do great things in the bull run for sure. Good use case. I do like AMP. Oscar, Roberto, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está, my friend? Maltasanti, how do you buy Solana memes? You got to go use Radium. You gotta set your hook up your wallet to Radium, I believe. Hang on, we were talking about that earlier today in the Discord. You can use Jupiter as a DEX or Soulflare to hook up to Radium and get your Solana meme coins that way. So yeah. Lily, how you doing? Good to see ya. ISO Jetpack, what's going on, Future? What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Young Arsonist, Radium sucks. I heard that Radium was really, really slow. That's the thing. I heard it was really slow. So you guys will have to let me know. I have not used it recently, so I don't know how slow it is, but be interesting to see anyways. Let me know, guys. I'm curious. Inquiring minds gotta know, man. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button on the way in. We got to keep this channel growing, guys. All right, so yeah, bullish pattern here, guys, on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, on the 15 minute. It's looking very, very healthy for a breakout in this falling wedge. Same thing on the daily as well, guys. So only a matter of time before we break to the upside, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens, right? We're going to stay on top of it. Let's get into some news here, guys. Beebs, my friend, you missed this morning, man. Max told me I gotta say hi to you, man. Max said I gotta say Corey Beebe, aka Jasmy, not a scam. That's from Max, buddy. He told me I had to say that to you. What is going on, buddy? All right, let's get into some of this news here, guys. I wanted to recap real quick the C2E ecosystem and the reward wallet to the largest community in South Korea with more than 4 million users, guys. 4 million users the PDL and the Junction now have access to. This is so bullish. Again, guys, I talked about it yesterday. I cannot believe more people are not talking about this. This is amazing. And just so you guys know, I spoke with Max earlier today. He's going to be doing a follow-up coverage of what I talked about with this collaboration, this partnership, the C2E ecosystem, giving the Junction PDL access to 4 million users. So definitely bullish, guys, and watch for Max. He's going to be doing a follow-up on what I said on it, so definitely keep an eye out for that. You're going to want that information, man. X marks the spot. Did you talk to an ambassador lately, Rob? I talk to ambassadors on a daily basis. I'm good friends with Jesse and Spencer. They're both JASMY ambassadors, but Jesse's a good buddy of mine, so I'm going to try to have them both on the channel actually tomorrow afternoon, so for a live stream. So yes, I talk to JASMY ambassadors on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So yes. ISO Jetpack, what do you think about X Finance token? Let's have a look. Oh, I guess I need to be over here, right? X Finance. Oh, low. $20 million market cap. Tokenomics are fantastic. All-time high was $805, I believe it, considering the supply. Yeah, this is fantastic. This is one that, guys, this is the type of project that I would throw like $500 into and then just sit back, because Like, check this out, 84 cents, guys, right? If this one goes again, even if it only gets to half of its last all-time high, 400 bucks, you're buying it at 84 cents. Look at the tokenomics, right? Almost half the supplies in circulation. There's only 50,000 coins total. Fantastic, fantastic opportunity here, guys. I like this play for sure. ISO Jetpack, my bad if it's too early. No, not at all, brother. Not at all. Beebs, scam. Scam. ISO, thanks for that. Didn't buy it, just saw the tokenomics. Yeah, it looks like a good one that, like I said, I'd probably throw, personally, I'd throw a few $100s into it just to see what happens, right? And they supposedly made XSwap, which works with XDC. Nice. Rickaroo, what's up, buddy? Beebs, wow, we were talking last night about Proppy. Nice move today. Yeah, we were looking at Proppy. Is it moving nice today? Let's have a look. Yeah, we called this one yesterday. We said it was a great pickup. You're right. You called this yesterday, brother, and we looked at it. And yeah, we said it was good. Up 47% on the day so far. Looking good, man. Good call, brother. Zachariah, what's up, buddy? Looks like an inverted head and shoulders on the 1 hour for Jasmy. Yeah, you noticed that, eh? I was looking at that myself as well, just before the stream. It's the 15-minute, I think, that you're talking about. You're talking about this, boom, boom, boom. But if you look on the 15, which generally, guys, you know that these patterns tend to, they tend to start on the smaller time frame. So we've got a shoulder, a head, another shoulder. So potential on the 15-minute, hopefully, and it seems to be evolving into the 1 hour. If you look down here, right? So we'll see what happens with it, guys. We will see what happens with it. The world around us open. I worry about my Jasmy coins. I've put my life savings into them at 1 cent 85. I wouldn't worry, man. It doesn't matter. Even if Jasmy only goes to 10 cents, man. If you got in at 1 cent 85, you still what? You're still like 5x your life savings, my friend. So it's not like Jasmy's going to go to 0 or anything like that. So I wouldn't worry too much about it, my friend. But I would say this, never, never, never only go all in on one project and not diversify your portfolio. In my opinion, that is never a good idea. So yeah. Multisanti, what's your best DEX to buy from? Usually, I rely heavily on MetaMask, to be honest with you. I love picking stuff up on Matic's ecosystem. Very, very nice. Dwayne, do you think 87 cents could be a good price point for to sell over 1 million Jasmy? I hope in hopes of someone else buying them. All in one foul swoop, I think it would be difficult to get a sell order that large to fill all at once. Zachariah, you know how much I sacrifice. Beebs, wow, X Finance. I have to look into that one for sure. Yeah, looks good. Looks juicy. William, there is no volume on X Finance. Not right now, but there could be in the future. Like I said, I would throw a couple of $100 into it that I'm willing to lose just to see what happens. You have to remember one thing, guys. When you go into an alt season, you could pretty much blindfold yourself and throw a dart at the wall and hit an altcoin that's going to pump, right? Very rare to have one that doesn't at least pump a little bit. So it really just boils down to which projects are going to pump more, right? I'm quite new, only bought Jasmy, and my daughter's name is Jasmy. Oh, very nice. That's adorable, man. That is adorable. I like it. All right, let's get into some of this bullishness, guys. What do we got here? Volume 5 interview. Actually, you know what? I'm going to just save this part for a video later, guys. I'll save that for later because it's a lot, and I don't want to make you guys sit through it. So I'll break it down. What do we got? No sweat, no tears, but only confidence in the Japanese BTC. JASMY is a diamond, and as I've mentioned before, diamonds aren't formed without immense pressure. Well put, man. Well put. Here it is, guys. Confirmation the market is going to pump. The inverse Kramer is in effect. Kramer tweets out, I knew it. Bitcoin is going to zero. Tweeted that out yesterday. So, it is confirmed. Inverse Kramer is in full effect. Bitcoin's going to the moon, and the alts are going to follow. So there it is. There's your confirmation, guys. Here we go, guys. Hara breaking. We've talked about this a couple of times, but officially announced as a speaker for the 2024 Teams Web3 and AI Summit in Tokyo. Very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. See, Hara's out there. He's making these connections, guys. He's doing. You know, he's a speaker, they're a sponsor, they're a silver sponsor, right? Representing JASMY Labs and Junction. Very, very bullish, guys. Love to see it. Guys, Bitcoin halving only 33 days away. Are you freaking ready, man? Crypto Goddess, X Finance says the domain is for sale when you try the website. Well, there you go. That's not very bullish. ISO Jetpack, I seen that too. Yeah, 33 days, guys. 33 days. Just in, $242 million leveraged Bitcoin positions liquidated in just 24 hours. Wrecked. That is why you do not mess with leverage, guys. Especially with all the manipulations happening in the market right now. For Bitcoin, you don't want to mess around. More bullish news, guys. $50 million USDC minted at the USDC Treasury. Every day we're seeing these massive amounts minted at both USDC and USDT Treasuries, man. It's looking very, very good. Breaking, Solana breaks $80 billion market cap. Crazy, guys. Crazy. I remember back a year and a half ago, everyone was saying Solana was dead. Look at it now. Look at it now, baby. Big things popping, little things stopping. Yeah, make sure you guys destroy that subscribe button, guys. Destroy it. Support the channel. What else is going on out there? Just in, El Salvador transferred a lot of their Bitcoin to its cold wallet and now stores that cold wallet in a physical vault within their national treasury. What does this mean, you might ask? It means they have no intention of selling their Bitcoin anytime soon, guys. Mega bullish again for the market. Only a matter of time before countries with this very similar economic situations are going to start to follow what El Salvador has been doing, making Bitcoin a national currency. Very, very bullish, guys. U.S. prosecutors want Sam Bankman-Fried to serve at least 40 years in prison. What do you guys think is going to happen with him? Is he going to go to... Are they going to actually sentence him to like 40 years in jail? Or do you think that he's going to get off somehow because of who his parents are? Let me know what you guys think about that. Be very, very interested to know. Are they going to slap this guy on the wrist? We'll see. 20,047 ETH, valued at $73,661,000 transferred from unknown wallet to Coinbase. Are we going to see ETH sell off? Should be interesting as well. Are we going to see a dip in ETH? Guys, you know, I've never really been a big proponent of buying up much Ethereum or Bitcoin, but I got to be honest with you right now, guys. I'm kind of been considering picking up some Ethereum, DCAing into more Ethereum. I hold Ethereum, but DCAing more because honestly, with this Ethereum ETF possibility being approved, guys, I mean, we could see ETH run to like $8,000 to $10,000 because of it. Like, ETH's gonna go nuts if it gets approved, right? So I kind of feel like maybe I should buy some ETH even just for a quick flip after May, you know. What do you guys think? Should be interesting, especially if we see a sell-off. It might be even more tempting, right? Yeah, should be very, very interesting. What do we got? Funky 1K soul this bull run. That's what I've been hearing. Yeah, you know what? At this rate, I could see it. At this rate, I could see it. Beebs, so help me God, if KASPA pulls back to 10 to 12 cents, I'm packing my bags big time. Yeah, man, I did a video on KASPA earlier today about that possibility. Definitely, man, I agree. If KASPA drops down that low, like, I've really been considering doubling my bag size in KASPA lately. But it's been so high in price that I'm like, you know, my cost average is like 2 cents. But now that it's you know, possibly going down to, you know, if it pulls back to 10 to 12 cents, yeah, I might have to try to double my bag at that point. Because you can't complain about those prices, man. Absolutely, Beebs. I'm with you, brother. I am with you. Guys, let's talk about it. Ethereum ETF awaits SEC approval as Grayscale pushes forward. What is this about? Spot Bitcoin ETF approval shifted focus to Ethereum, but it didn't trigger a major hype. Ethereum's status as a security is more debatable compared to Bitcoin. If we recall the struggle with Bitcoin, it suggests that the path for Ethereum might not be any easier. Grayscale received an anticipated approval this year for converting GBTC into spot Bitcoin ETF. Despite billions of GBTC outflows, Grayscale's ETF remains at the forefront with its massive reserves. The company is now fighting to transform its Ethereum trust, ETHE, into an ETF. Currently, companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK are also awaiting approval for the Ethereum ETF. Quote, we have just filed an amended Form 19B4 application for Grayscale Ethereum Trust. This is an important step in our effort to list ETHE on New York Stock Exchange. Investors want and deserve access to Ethereum in the form of a spot Ethereum ETF. The SEC, however, expresses concerns over Ethereum's potential as a security, including issues arising from the post-merge staking mechanism and the difficulty in establishing investor protection. The final decision on Ethereum ETFs will be given on May 23rd. That is the date in which the SEC has to either approve or deny the Grayscale application. And if they deny it, guys, I promise you, they will get sued by every single hedge fund that's applying for an ETF. I promise you that. And Gary will lose every single one of those lawsuits. And it will be hilarious because he looks. And the funny thing about it, guys, that gets me is that we still have some of these obviously paid off news sources, right? These channels, and they throw Gary Gensler on TV and they interview him, they softball him questions, and they kind of reiterate his rhetoric about, you know, about crypto being securities and stuff like that. And it's like, you can't help but sit there and be like, are you guys fucking stupid? Like, judges are telling Gary he's wrong. Are you what about this are you not understanding, right? Judges, courts are telling him that he is breaking the law by what he's doing. He's in the wrong here. And these news anchors and stuff, they're still on TV repeating this rhetoric, right? And you just, at some point, you have to be like, guys, like, what? Are you stupid, right? Just because one man, i.e. Gary Gensler, comes out and says everything's a security, doesn't make it a security, right? He's wrong. Judges are telling him he's wrong. Like, how do you do a news story and you leave the part out about the fact that the courts are telling him he's wrong? That's kind of an important part of the story, is it not? I don't know. We've lost all control of our media. It's unbelievable. William, have you heard or locked into Aerodome? Or looked into Aerodome? Aerodome. That sounds familiar. Did we look into that in the last couple days? I think we did. It's AERO. Yeah, we looked at this yesterday. Aerodome Finance. 230. Yeah. Yeah, I said that I wasn't a big fan of this one. I think that listen, I shouldn't say I'm not a big fan of it. I'm kind of neutral on it, right? Um, and my reasons are that one, it's got kind of a large market cap for me for where I'm at in terms of building my portfolio, but also, if we have a look over here, it's the tokenomics are not great. You know, that's the thing. Tokenomics are not great. I know that I understand that from what I understand, Crypto John, I think Crypto John is saying that he thinks this one is a gem. I don't know, guys. For me, I just don't like the market cap on it and stuff. It'll probably do good. It'll probably do good, right? But to be fair, John has called a couple of good ones in the past, so we're not gonna dismiss it just because it's him. So I mean, it's possible, but I think it'll do okay. But for me, it's not for me. They're not Pokemon guys. You can't catch them all, right? So, um, Deathbank, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What else do we got going on? Oh yeah, accumulation. The bull run has not even started, guys. This is where we are in comparison with the bull run right now. Like, look how much we have to go. And people are asking me questions about selling. I'm like, are you crazy? Are you talking? You shouldn't even be thinking about selling anything yet. Shouldn't even be on your mind. X marks the spot. Did you ever notice just about every crypto chart looks generally the same? When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down more or less. Why does where does it go? Generally, that's because almost all crypto have a BTC pairing, right? So yeah, when Bitcoin dips, they all tend to dip. Um, so yeah, but you're absolutely right. You do see that, right? I mean, if you look at any given chart, like let's go to Bitcoin here, right? So go to the week, you see that dip right there, that drop down, and then you go to, I don't know, let's go to JASMY. Boom. Same point, low, right? Sandbox, boom. Same point, low. Yeah. Algorand, boom. Oh, that one didn't go down as far. Algo wasn't affected that hard. But yeah, you're right. Facts, 12 cents. It was 13 cents last night. So you're telling me that one extra cent is making that much of a difference? Yeah. Well, it's just that, if it hits 12 cents, it'll likely pull back to 10 cents because that 10-cent level is like another strong support level when it hovered around 10 cents, 9.9 cents. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I've got some other stuff that I got to accumulate. But yes, doubling my KASPA bag is definitely on my list of things I need to do. Make no mistake about that. All right, yeah, guys, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button, guys. Let's get this growing here, man. We got to get the JASMY content out to the masses. William, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. ISO Jetpack, we're in a super cycle, not a bull cycle. The reason the markets are pumping is because institutions are buying retail and small business owners can't afford in the economy. The market is manipulated. Bull run is to come. Yeah, bull run is to come. The official bull run, in my opinion, like when I say the official bull run, like the pumpage, so to speak, right? The altcoins, like the parabolic stuff, in my opinion, won't really start until around October, November. And it'll run sometime into the middle of next year, June, July, right? And then that's, you want to be for sure exiting the market, in my opinion, by that point. That's how I kind of see it. And if you disagree, then you're wrong and I'm right. Just kidding. I'm not that guy. You can disagree. So, yeah. But yeah, that's how I see it playing out. I agree. A lot of this pump action for Bitcoin right now is just simply because of the ETFs, and I think a similar thing is going to happen for Ethereum as well. We're going to see Ethereum run like crazy also. So we'll have to follow it and stay on top of it. And, yeah. Logan, Jasmy holding the 1 cent nines, looking good. Yeah, it's holding a solid support level there. Nick, don't worry. I already did my push-ups. Nice, brother. Nice. You know the drill. You know the drill. Um, yeah, where are we here? Yeah, it's holding 1 cent. 1 cent 92. Pretty good. Very nice. Very very nice. 1 cent 93. 1 cent 92. Yeah, man. Considering it had dipped all the way down to 1 cent 76 this morning with that sweep of the lows, and then came right back up again. Very very nice. You love to see it, guys. All right, and what else you guys want to look at? Anything else you guys want to have a glimpse at? Are you guys going to be watching the stream tonight? I'm going to stream the charts. Which chart do you guys want to watch tonight? Let me know, because the last couple nights you guys have not been watching the JASMY chart. I've noticed the views are down on it. So do you want me to keep this chart up to watch for the breakout tonight, or what do you want? Right? Let me know. What's the 15-minute look like? Yeah. Like, do you want to watch this to see if it breaks out to the upside, or what are you thinking? Let me know. Let me know. Any other projects you guys want to look at before I head out? ISO Jetpack. What's your VIE on SEC website shutting down? View? My view? I mean, I don't really have one. I don't really care the fact that it's shut down. My opinion on it, they probably have some stuff on there on their website, some wording, so to speak, that's probably damaging to some of their cases or something like that. And they're probably just removing it, right? So they just take their website down, they tweak it, because that's what happened in the Ripple case. A lot of things that on their website were counterintuitive to what they were saying in court. So they're probably removing a bunch of verbiage, so to speak, from their website, because it's probably damning against them in their lawsuits. So that's my suspicion on it. But let me know what you guys think. Logan, can you put two charts up at once? Oh, like you want to see like the 1 hour and the 15 or something like that? I don't know how to do that on Binance. Can you do that on Binance? Yeah, there we go. Jasmy. Okay, so this is the daily here. So you want what? You want the 1 hour? We got the 1 hour here. But yeah, we'll try to put this back up here, right? We'll put this back up for you guys. Got the 1 hour going. We're just doing this quickly, so bear with me. Oh. There we go. We got the 1 hour, and we got the, what is this one here? This is this is the daily, so we'll go to the 15-minute. Sorry guys, bear with me. I'm just trying to set this up for you guys for later, right? Just do something like this, something like this. Oh, we scam. Those are scam wicks. So It's sloppy, but it's a smaller chart, so I'm having trouble here. There we go. We got the 15-minute here for you guys. And we got the 1 hour. Is that better? There you go. I'll leave that on for you guys. Yeah, 1925. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave that on for you guys for tonight. Funky Jasmy chart is nice to pop in and see. Plus, see if any comments to possible follow. Yeah, 100%. Pump home tonight. Yeah, hopefully it. Book of Memes. Hey, you know what, Funky? I hope Book of Memes pumps, because I just bought some a little while ago. So that would be fantastic if that would go ahead and pump like crazy. That would be great. Beebs, I was wondering your thoughts on the gaming narrative. It seems as if it has been a bit lackluster so far. I'm a big fan of Miria. I'm hoping to see a 50-cent price tag in the bull run heights. Beebs, what I would say about that is that whenever narratives are kind of lackluster and boring and stagnant, you should be buying, man, because I tell you right now, it was like that for AI for quite a while. Like all the AI projects were just kind of stoic and sideways and, kind of not really forefront, and then they pumped like crazy right after the memes did, right? So what I think will happen is the Web3 gaming projects will suddenly just burst and start to run when you least expect it. So that's why me personally, I accumulate like crazy when it's boring. Logan, yeah, for the live watch, maybe something like that. No problem, brother. Chico, appreciate it. No problem, man. I got you. So yeah. So yeah, make sure you guys are again hitting the subscribe button, guys. Subscriber counts slowed down a little bit. We got to keep it going. J-Bond, I read an article on X saying the lockups might start today. The date has something to do with the Japanese traditions. J-Bond, if that is true, then it wouldn't happen. I mean, I'm in the West, right? I don't know where you are, but I'm in the West. I'm in Canada and the US. So if it is supposed to happen today in Japan, then it wouldn't happen until the middle of the night for us, because that's their daytime, right? So if it does happen, you could end up waking up to news about it. So yeah. X marks the spot. Could you put Jasmy AI model stripper on? How do you put a Jasmy AI stripper on there? I don't have that on my computer, brother. Beebs makes sense. 100%, brother. 100%. I got you. So yeah, what else do we got going on here? So I'll leave these two charts on for you guys, like I said, for this evening. So I'll be working at the bar, guys. So I will be popping into the stream tonight. I'll be popping in the chat. So if you guys have questions for me, you want to talk to me, I will be in the chat periodically through the night. So just go ahead and talk to me through there, and I'll answer you. Yeah, because I will be at the bar working, right? St. Patrick's Day weekend, man. I'll probably end up having to tune somebody out. I am Celtic, 90% Celtic, so yeah. I got into a pretty big tussle there last weekend, I'll tell you guys. Every inch of my body was hurting the next day, man. That's just because I'm old, though, so I can't do it like I did when I was in my 20s, guys. Chico, what exactly happens with the lockup? Tokens get taken out of circulation, which causes supply and demand crunch, which causes the price to pump. Crypto Queen, Jasmy went up a few in the last few minutes. Yeah, we got the chart going on here. We got both charts. Still holding strong at 1 cent 92, 1 cent 93 levels. So very, very bullish on that. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, guys, I think I might call it an early one there. I'm gonna leave the chart on for you guys, though. I'll have it pumping all night for you. Again, if you want to talk to me, just get at me in the chat. I will be there. Yeah, hopefully I see a lot of you guys there tonight. So, Haas, we're getting old, my friend. Yeah, that's why we need this altcoin season to kick off already, so that we can just go buy an island and retire somewhere, right? So, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Well, I mean, I will call it there. And Beebs, in my opinion, KASPA is overlooked, and they aren't listed on many tier 1 exchanges. I love that they are proof of work. Yeah, KASPA is kind of being overlooked right now. I agree. It's kind of in the background, and it's going to melt a lot of faces for sure. Shayboy, just followed you on X, Rob. Thanks for the updates. Yes, thank you so much for the follow on X. Guys, please follow suit if you would do me that favor. Follow me over on X, guys. I need to build my X page up. That way I can start doing some dual streaming over there as well. So it would be awesome if you guys would help me grow my X page by just shooting me a follow over there, guys. I promise it will not fill your page up, your news feed, with a bunch of garbage, okay? So do me that favor. The link is down in the below of any description of any of my videos, so please follow me over there. Crypto Queen, what's the price dipped? I bought another 500,000 tokens. Now I have 4 million. Congratulations, that's awesome. Logan, thanks, bro. Have a good night. Thank you, brother. Haas, don't forget to hit the likes, guys. Yes, yes. Gene, what's your price prediction for BTC halving date? I mean, honestly, I could see Bitcoin somewhere between 80 to 100K possibly, or it could be 60K, right? It depends on this inflow pressure, right? If the inflow continues to intensify, guys, then we could see 80 to 100,000, 80 to 90,000, $100,000 Bitcoin. But if we get the traditional pullback and sell the news event around the halving, well, then we could see 63,000, right? So I think that's really what it's going to come down to. Nick, is there a link to my? Are you talking about? Is there a link to my X page? Yes, there is a link to my X page in the description of every single video that I post, my friend. If you go into the description, you will find a link to my X page. So shoot me a follow over there. Be greatly appreciated, guys. All right, compadres, I got to start getting ready for work tonight. I will see you guys later. I'll have the live stream going. I'm going to dual chart it. I'll have the 1 hour and the 15-minute going for you guys. So make sure you're here for that. Again, if you need to talk to me at all, just shoot me a message in the comments and I'll be there. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for being here again today. You're all greatly appreciated. Much love, and I will see you guys